Hello, today is August 26th, and my name is Stewart. I'm a landscaper trained by golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm in the Shoreline area. And this is a lawn I've aerated, seeded, fertilized. I put on a 50-pound bag of soil amendment, and I put on a wetting agent, and I put on a little bit of lime. And I'm going to come back in around a month's time, take a look at this lawn, and just see how it looks. So once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Thanks, bye. Hello, my name is Stewart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today is September 22nd, and this is a lawn that I had aerated, seeded, fertilized. I put a wetting agent on it and some soil amendment on the lawn. And I'm just coming back here to check out the results here. And I'm really happy with it. It does have some mold damage going on, but other than that, I'm just really happy. Very glad for the client, the homeowners here that had hired me. I call this a lawn tune-up, aerating, seeding, and fertilizing residential lawns. This is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company at lawntuneups.com. And thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.